What's going on, everybody? All right, so give me a second. All right, what's going on, man? Um, well, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I think I'll start off by saying that. Wait, no. All right, so if you're watching this video, you probably was like, interested in knowing more about how a key person work, or probably heard about it, or just never even heard about it at all. All right, so I got this presentation here to just talk to people and break down what a key person life insurance is. So without further ado, I just go into this right here presentation. Oh, my name is Malik. Okay, Malik East. That's me. No, I'm not from the East Side, but my name is just Malik East. All right. I've been in the financial service industry for a while, for about 2 years, and as I stumble upon information, I feel that I just feel that people should know about this, because if you don't know about it, then how is it gonna benefit you or me or anybody? So if I'm gonna be on the internet, if I'm gonna just be posting stuff or just be being myself, I feel why not put out some true stuff, stuff from the heart, stuff that's gonna benefit somebody else that probably was there, or somebody else that it could help on their journey. Maybe somebody is starting up a business and they want to get some finances, the finance side to business. They got a business, they bringing in some revenue, they bringing in some money, and they want to know how to get their business finances in order, So this will be for somebody like that, and I'm gonna just go right into it. So do you have a few employees that stand out from the crowd? All right. Can you afford to lose one of your key employees? What would happen if a key employee dies, becomes disabled, or leaves the business? Many businesses are not prepared to survive those type of events, But a properly designed key person policy can help you protect your family and the business that you have. That way, if anything happened to that person, that business can pay out and still flourish even without that key person. Especially if you just built your business from the ground up and you got you a nice system going, you got you a nice flow, you worked hard for it, This is like protection. This is like protecting that, So a key person can be the owner, the decision maker, the visionary, unique talent, and the earner. A key person can be the owner of the business or a key employee, who makes a significant contribution to the success of the business and whose death or disability would almost certainly lead to the business suffering financially, what I just mentioned in the earlier slide, So these right here are the losses of a key person and a possible key risk: management disruption, reduction in earning, impairment of credit, replacement a key person, because most key people acquire their knowledge through like skill and experience over time for that job, so they're like the top tier at that job, The main purpose of the life insurance is to offset the economic loss that comes with the death of an owner or a key employee. Life insurance right here can provide the business with cash to keep the business running and ensure customers it will continue. This is like, like I said earlier, it's like this is insurance on your business. You can take those loan proceeds out to be able to help pay for some of those expenses. You can assure creditors that their loans are safe, cover expenses of findings, securing, and training a replacement. Covers any errors that may occur while successors is training. It may cover any expenses involved with reconstructing the business as a result of death of that key person passing away. In this situation, money may be given up and your business time to recover. So how it works, okay? The key person is the insurance. The key person insurance is a life insurance purchased by a business, on an owner or an employee whose services contribute substantially to success and continuing of that business. The insurance policy is owned and payable to the business. The premiums, the money that you pay into that policy, are paid by the business using after-tax dollars. Okay? In most cases, when an owner or an employee or a key employee dies, this will lead to a disruption in the business and potentially will lead to financial instability or even loss. And the life insurance on a key employee provides the business with access to cash at a time when they need it the most. All right. A business has an insurable interest in the life of an executive or an employee actively associated with business whose death would cause an actual financial loss for the business. As a result, the business can insure against the potential loss, as you see here. Insurable interest needs to be presented at the time the policy is issued. If the employee leaves the business may choose to continue to fund the policy or surrender the policy or sell the policy. So, as you see right here in this diagram, as the business, it pays the insurance contract, and the death benefit and policy benefits offsets losses of the key person. So it pretty much, the death benefit and stuff, it goes to the business. And that key person, right there in the middle, the insurer interest has to be related to the business, pretty much. So they got different methods. There are many different ways to set up the amount of insurance on a key employee for insurance purposes. The most common ones: multiple of salary, contribution to earnings, and multiple of profit. The multiple of salary, that method is most often used by multiple of salary, by a capitalization factor. And this factor is usually set by the insurance carrier for insurance 10 times the salary. Multiple profits factors that should be looked at are, is there an understudy time required? So this is pretty much typically when someone's, with their businesses and they're trying to get insurance with it, is either a term policy or a perm. That's what they call it, a perm, or permanent insurance. A business can use either term or perm product as a key person employee, as a key person policy. If a permanent product are used, the cash value is an asset of the business, not a liability. Now, it's an asset that can help the business, which they could use to access via loans or withdrawals for the business purposes, including the loss of a key employee or other expenses. The term, it just pretty much, it lasts for a certain amount of time and it just ends after that. And that's that. Now, the tax aspect of the key person life insurance should be considered by the parties at the time of its purchase. In the standard key person situation, the business is the owner, premium payer, and beneficiary of the policy. With this setup in mind, let's look at the various tax consequences of key employee or key person life insurance. Premium payments. Key person life insurance premiums are genuinely not tax deductible. The IRC section 24 or 264A1 states that no deduction shall be allowed or premiums paid on any life insurance policy covering the life of any officer or an employee or any person financially interested in any trade or business carried on by the taxpayer. And when a taxpayer is directly or indirectly a beneficiary under such policy, the life insurance premiums paid by the business on a key person life insurance policy are not included in the insurer's income. The death benefit proceeds on the key person life insurance received by the business may be received income tax free money come to the heirs, to that death benefit proceeds tax free. The business must comply with the IRC 101J, the Pension Protection Act of 2006. So pretty much the next step would be is to just go to this website at www.7bandfinancialagency.com, where you will find out more information on the topic. Where you will find more information on the topic. Index universal life policies are permanent policies that you can use for that key person insurance policy as well. Once you go to this website, you can go check this website out here. It pretty much breaks down what that IUL is, what it stands for, and how it could potentially help your business with any issues as well. You can go over here, learn more about the key person insurance, the key person coverage, as you see here as well. So make sure you check out that website. Make sure you check out that website at www.7bandfinancialagency.com. Yes, so I think I'm going to just end it here, folks. Tune in next time for the next episode. I guess I don't know what I'll be covering. I'll just cover whatever just popping in my head, So yeah, I hope to just keep this series going. Hope you guys like the information here. And if this is something that you would want to know more about, please drop in a comment for any more type of videos like this, or if you want to know more about, in depth, or you want things broken down anymore, please leave in a comment any suggestions that you think, you guys would want to see more of. That would greatly help. So tune in next time for the next episode. As always, peace, love, and happiness, and take care.